To my apartment.
Yeah.
Cheers.
I gotta tell you something I could do.
We're currently at McDonald's, and then we're gonna go to my cousin because she's moving out to her first apartment with her husband. And this fool here is complaining.
You're far, fool. Why you live so far? 36 minutes away.
Let's double check we got everything. Yeah, everything looks good. What you going on?
𝚕𝚎𝚕𝚌𝚘𝚖𝚎. Yeah. Live free, speak your piece. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodega is on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. We from the home of the biggie, people blowing.
You eat rice with your pho, uncle?
Yeah.
You like eating rice with your pho?
Oh yeah.
It's ugly. Why are you
So forward.
Touch it on him.
food?
Yeah, move on.
Here you go. Oh, thank you. Here you go.
Thank you. Self-serve.
Ew. Ugly. It's even on your pubic hair.
Frozen. My rabbit teeth on it.
We got done eating and we decided to go at home. Look at this fat boy.
Yeah, we're definitely at home, bro.
He's so nerd. We're at home with these two. Your fake grassing, sis.
Yeah. Called artificial grass.
Yes.
Called turf.
Yeah, it's called turf.
Freaking non-athletic people. Oh my god.
Like you?
I'm an athlete,
Are you really?
but I don't play no more because I injury prone. When y'all say we're going at home, I thought we were going at home. Not the.
We thought we were going back to my apartment.
Yeah.
He even said at home's the store.
This is at home.
The store.
See, I got set up by these
He just chose to follow us.
this people.
I think this one or this one. The one that sings and you guys like is this one. This one or this one. We came and we're like,
Let the
Ooh,
viewer
debate.
decide, bro.
no, we need to decide it now.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like if you're gonna go like based on the couch wise, and yeah, this one matches.
Yeah,
right?
but then whatever you guys think
Guys,
is more
guys,
cozy.
guys.
this
Listen to
one
me.
is cozier.
Cozier is this fucking one right here. Golly. Take my opinion on the fat dude, bro. I'll sleep on this shit
You're
any
a
day.
fat
Okay,
dude.
I'm telling you, this is the
Ben
one.
21.
What are you doing, ugly?
Imagine my stomach.
Stop you.
I'm about to drill on this shit. I don't fuck.
Ew, nasty. Which are you guys getting?
The ugly one.
Cheaper one.
Which was the cheaper one?
The other one.
Oh, this one.
This is not cheap.
It's they get in the 5x7, dummy.
I guess it's pretty cheap.
How much is this one?
And get away from me. Get away from me. Get away.
This one is $100. How much is yours?
$80.
No, it's not. The one that you said, 5x7. Oh, $129.
Oh my god, bro. I give you $20. Man, chill the fuck out. Chill out, homie. I'm gonna get this. Eat your inner light shine.
Eat is to let your inner light shine.
Eat your.
Eat? It's his light. There's this really weird kid next to me. He keeps mowing around.
I'm just saying, if you drink monsters, do you see monsters? Then goddamn. I don't drink monsters. I see monsters.
Because he's a monster himself.
To be a demon, you must see a demon. Right here.
You guys, this is the birthday boy.
Oh, hi guys. Cheers. Cheers to 30. Dirty 30.
It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. Sliding in me like a wet flow, already fried from the get-go. Alligators look like echo, everything I do they echo. If you don't speak, then you won't get spoken to. People only see you when you up, then they notice you. Trying to be a legend, create lines is quotable. Only the real shall last, and I only know a few.
Well, I am done cleaning, and I'm gonna chill with Luna. Tell them to subscribe and like my videos and share my content. Did y'all hear? She said subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. Luna said bye. We gotta walk.
Behind the scenes of our camera.
𝚌𝚎𝚕𝚌𝚗𝚖𝚎, cause baby girl goes out. Some baby think I'm loose or don't wanna have to leave a message at the tone. All I want is for you to